Alright y'all, it's Albert Lebel and it's another episode of Stocklock Sunday. This time around we've got the Gerda HSS. It is the 632Z as it shows down here. It's a beast of a lock. This thing is really made well. Obviously got that high shackle guard up there. Beefy shackle. Just a great lock. We're going to try to pick this thing, but I also want it. Here's the key right here, by the way. Got the tag, got the key. It's great lock. Just a beast of a lock, like I said. Even the ball locking, they're gigantic. It's a beast. I really like it a lot. I would use this thing in a heartbeat. So we're going to try to pick this thing, and I also want to show something off. First thing we're going to do is, if I can find it, there we go. We're going to rotate these real quick. This thing does have a bug to it, though. I think the last disc at the bottom that I tension off of, it's kind of grindy. I don't know if it's just this lock. It feels like there's something wrong with it. Maybe just cheaply made. I really don't know. But we're going to prep it up here. Try and get a good shot of it. And I wanted to show something off. I did get the new silver bullet from Silver Bullet Tools. This is the original, the authentic silver bullet. It's a beautiful tool. I'm not going to review this on this video because I just got it yesterday and I really just want to use it a few times and get a feel for it, so when I do a review on it next week, I can do an authentic review, because right now all I can tell you it's beautiful. It's made really well. But like I said, I want to take it for a ride around the block a few times, and then next week I'll give a full review on it and give you my 2 cents. So we are going to try to use it, though. So I got those all rotated, I think, already. So I got it set up for rear tension. This tool here can do rear and front tension. It's got the different tips. Like I said, I'm going to go into full depth on this next week, so I just want to get a feel for it. So I'm going to drop it down in there. Yeah, that last disc, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really messed up. So let me see. I'm going to drop this down in here. I don't think we're good on the camera, so maybe rotate around a little bit. That might work. Alright, so got to give it pretty good tension on this lock. And I know I got to go through these discs a couple times to get this thing set. I believe it's got false gates on this, but hopefully if we can get it open, we'll take a look at it. Alright, so it feels like that last one broke loose. Yeah, it didn't set. That's the problem. That last disc, it's really grindy, and I'm not sure why. So you got to give it pretty good tension to even get it started. Okay, I think I set that one. I'll try and come up. That one feels loose. That one feels loose. Alright, I'm going to go back through. That last disc is just nasty, I gotta tell you. Okay, I think that one broke loose. That one feels like it just broke loose. That one feels like it broke loose. Like I said, as long as I go through them a couple times, that one's tight. I think that one's okay. All right. That one feels nasty. All right, we'll go through the stack again. That one's tight. Boy, that last disc is really giving me trouble. I'm going to leave that one there. Going back through. That one feels good. That one feels good. That one does not. Now it does. Yeah, bottom one feels okay. Come back up through again. That one feels okay. I'll tell you, it takes a while to get used to this this tool also. I haven't had it long enough to really get comfortable with it yet. There we go. Just like that. So I'm guessing once I get used to this this new tool, life will be a lot easier on me, but we got it open. So let me lock it back up. Lock it back up. There we go. Get the tool out. And let's see if we can't. Let me get the vise out of the way. I got too much in my way here. Alright, so let's bring the camera down a little bit. And let's see if we can't pop the side off of this. It might be a little bit more work than I'm ready for, but let's see. Alright, so I know it's got grub screws on both sides. I don't know what size they are. Let's find out. Bingo. Alright. I think that one's all the way out. Now this one here, this is cool. What they did is this shackle, since it doesn't go all the way down on this side, they put a steel stud in here So when this shackle goes down, it actually rests on top of a really nice steel stud. So you're not going to get to the grub screw on either side of this thing. So you're not going to get into this lock with force. I really, really doubt it. So let me find something to poke that out of there with. This ought to work. I think it's just got a clip on it. Yeah. See how they did that? It just goes right down in there, and it's got this kind of spring clip on it that holds it in there, protecting this grub screw on this side. Really well made. They went above and beyond on this lock, I gotta tell you. Really tough lock. Alright. Now I think we can close that. Or not. What did I do? Oh. I think I got the screws in there. There we go. Okay. Let's see how tight that is. It's not tight. I'm trying to work around the camera, and I'm really uncomfortable in this position. Okay. Let me see. Let me get a tray. That may slide out. I mean, I guess you can see that they're all in there, so it's not some kind of cheater lock. Let me see if I can get a hold of it somehow. I can't even grab the sidebar. There it goes. There goes the sidebar. I was thinking if I can get that out of the way, maybe I can grab the whole. Oh. Nope, just the discs are coming up. Alright, so I'm not going to destroy the lock. I think it's fair to say the whole thing is in there. If I can get that back in place there. But the lock's complete. I think you can trust the fact that I'm not going to pick a half a lock. So there it is. That's the, I'm going to try to hold that in my finger. The Gerda HSS 632Z. It's one heck of a beefy lock. And like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for a few days, the silver bullet tool. I'm going to use it for a few days, get a feel for it, and then next week I'm going to give you a full review on it and give you my 2 cents because it's absolutely phenomenal. The machining on this thing is just, it's phenomenal. I wish I didn't wait so long to get it, to be honest. But I have already found one thing that I would probably add to it if it was up to me. But like I said, tune in next week and we'll do a full review on the silver bullet. So that'll wrap up this episode of Stock Lock Sunday with the Gerda HSS. Hopefully I can get those discs back in the right way. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. Stick around and see who gets the Padlock 200A this week. All right. Thank you. Big Al, signing off.